Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are making the juiciest and the most flavorful meatball ever. Whatever you're serving them with, either pasta or in the bread, or you're just popping them in your mouth like me, this will be your new favorite. Let's get started. We're going to start by preparing our onion and garlic. I'm going to be making use of half of this onion, so half of a small onion is good. I went ahead to remove the skin from my garlic and my onion. Next, I proceeded to rinse my onion. I did that off camera. So you're going to cut just half of that onion, prep it, and we're going to be grating that with the grater. But if you can't be bothered by grating this onion, you can just put it in the blender together with your garlic and give it a quick blend. That would also do the job. I just love to do this by using the grater, or you can even always just use your knife to chop it, which is what I eventually did with this onion, because a part of it decided to open up and it wasn't just easy for me to grate it all. So I set it aside and I grated my garlic, and after that you will see what I did to the remaining onions. So what I'm trying to say is there are so many ways to achieve the same result, which is always the joy of cooking for me. I like to have a bit of flexibility and be able to make the meal my own. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your amazing support. Thank you for sharing, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and if you're new here, please do subscribe as well. If you're my regular, thank you so much once again. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, all those nice things. I would really appreciate them. Thank you so much. So eventually I minced the other onion that I couldn't grate with my knife. I even worked with two knives because it was just not as small as I wanted, but eventually I got what I needed. So you're going to be making use of ground beef for this, or minced meat, whatever you call it. I'm making use of 350 grams of ground beef, and to that I added some onion powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. I added half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Do not worry, I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box, and because I just wanted to personalize this and make it what I like, and I love suya if you know me, so I added some suya spice. So this is 2 tablespoons of suya spice went into this. If you do not have that, you can always skip it and add just normal chili flakes. I also added a cube of nor and some salt to taste. I went in with half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I hope I pronounced that correctly, because that thing is always stressing me to pronounce. Worcestershire sauce. Okay, anyway, you get it. Next, I came in with my grated onion and garlic, and you're going to mix everything together. You can do this by hand, you don't have to wear gloves, but I happen to have disposable cooking gloves, so I decided to use it. So mix it together nicely until everything is nicely combined like this. It looks nice already, but we still have few ingredients to add to that, and one of them is breadcrumbs. So I came in with 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. This is store-bought breadcrumbs. You can always make your own. I added 1 whole egg, and then I came in with 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. So you can use cooking cream for this, you can use whipping cream depending on what you have available. This is going to help to keep your meatballs moist. Okay, so mix everything together like this. The egg liquid and the cream is going to help to rehydrate the bread a bit and also help to bind everything together. So place it in the fridge while you prep your baking tray. I line my baking tray with normal foil. If you have the non-stick one, it's better, but because I don't have the non-stick one, so I oiled my baking sheet a little bit. For the shaping, I used my ice cream scoop to do that, basically so that I can have that little round edge when I pop it out already, so that it's easy to roll. But you can make use of spoon, to be honest. Just try and be consistent with the sizes, because even with this ice cream scoop, I was still very inconsistent, and that is me. Anyway, just scoop it and just mold it a little bit like this because it's so nice and tender. It doesn't require much effort to roll it into a ball, and you're going to place it onto that lined baking tray. There's no need to leave lots of spaces in between them because it's not going to grow in size. It's not going to expand or anything. It's just going to stay as a ball. So you do not need to worry. Just make sure you fit your meatballs onto your tray. So you're going to repeat the process until all your meatballs are nicely rolled up. Next, you're going to place it in the preheated oven. I cook this in the preheated oven at 200 degrees for up to 15 minutes. You can bake between or cook between 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of your meatball, or you can even do this on the stove top. Okay, just put some oil in the frying pan and cook your meatballs in it. Now to the best part of the video, the moment of truth. I'm going to be picking one of these delicious meatballs and be breaking it apart for you to see. You can see how tender that looks and how nicely it breaks apart. That is super flavorful. That is super delicious. You can cook your pasta with this. You can just snack on it on its own. You can make sandwich with this. It is super tasty and very easy to make. Let's break another one apart because it's just too good. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.